everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, I've been busy and I'm sorry, but I'm here now with a quick little video that I thought I would get out for you. Today's video is super exciting because I won a giveaway and I've got the box here. I'm not showing this side because this has my address on it, but yeah. Ooh. I entered a giveaway on Instagram that JakeJamie had, and he does giveaways quite often, so I wanted to, well, I think I've tried a few times actually, and I finally won. So this parcel actually came when I was on holiday in Sweden, and I've been waiting for the right moment to open it, and I thought the moment would be now with you guys. Let's open it, shall we? I have my little box cutter and I'm gonna open it probably from the top because I don't know how it's been packed. Cutting through my name. No, I'm not actually. Oh. No. Sorry about that. There was a massive fly because you know there's been a heat wave in Sweden, I was going to say, in England, and today is finally a little bit cool, and because we live in a flat on the 3rd floor, it gets really hot in here. So I opened all the doors, I opened all the windows and just aired out the flat, and obviously when you do that you get flies. I heard this massive fly and I'm like, I'm not going to have that one buzzing around in the background, so I locked him in the kitchen. And the kitchen door opened, so I had to go and lock him back in. But yes, let's try to open this, shall we? I don't want to break any packaging or anything. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna start with this because this is what I need the most. We've got a little blending beauty sponge by Lottie London. It's cute and light pink. Thank you so much. I needed a new one of these badly, I tell you. Oh, I have a drying lotion by Badescu, which I've never tried. I've heard of it a lot of times. This is Badescu skincare since 1967. Drying lotion. Target pesky problems with this original on-the-spot solution. This is a fast-acting formula that helps dry up surface blemishes overnight, earning our drying lotion renown as an iconic, award-winning must-have. Interesting. So it's like a pimple solution. I love that because let me show you a bit closer. I don't know if you can see, but I always get like little pimples here on my cheeks and like a bit on my chin. So I use pimple patches, but this would be very interesting to use. Very excited for that. Thank you so much. Next is a couple of face masks. One is a plump and firm cucumber peel-off mask with hyaluronic acid. And the other one is a deep sea mud pore perfect mask with pro vitamin B5. Very nice. Love face masks. Loved using the Biodance one. Love it, but I haven't bought it in a while, so it's nice to have a few other ones that I can try. What was it by? Did I say? No, I did not. It's by 7th Heaven, and it's vegan approved for all skin types. Another Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. Oh, thank God. I've been wanting to buy a face spray for a long time. I love the cordially one. That's been on my list. I also love the mantle one, and I've wanted to buy them for a while. This is brilliant. I have never tried it. I'm very happy to try it. And it's got the aloe, herbs and rose water. It just sounds amazing. I'm actually gonna spray a little bit. Remove my fringe because I don't want to get it wet. Oh. It smells like a dream. I love things with rose in it. Love that. And, you know, since I have a cat, every single time I do my makeup, I feel like I have hair everywhere. And it's really annoying. That feels wonderful. It's just something that I like to use like throughout the day. When I'm at work, I go and grab the cordially one and I just spray my face because it refreshes you, especially in this heat. And especially after a few hours when you know your skincare has like synced in and you start to kind of feel a little bit dry again, these like mists are perfect. So thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. I am gonna bottle this up. There is something else by Mario Badescu in here, and it's, oh, that's so cute. It's like a little bandana thingy for when you're doing your skincare or when you're doing your makeup. Very nice and soft. It kind of feels like a fleece material. Very nice, and it's cute. It's a nice green color as well. Okay, next thing is this one. Ooh, BPerfect Cosmetics. Never heard of, actually. It's an instant bronze boost, gel drops, medium bronze, vitamin E and Edelweiss. I know how to say that. Edelweiss extract. Illuminating bronzing drops for face and body. A hydrating hybrid liquid gel formula with light reflecting pigments, buildable coverage, infused with Edelweiss and vitamin E. Ooh, oh, it's very liquidy. Oh, it's coming out more automatically. Let me put that back. So it comes out quite liquidy. As you can see, it's already dripping. Let's blend it out. It was very glowy. Look at that. Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Let me blend it out a bit more and see how it blends out. It might be nice, you know, when you want like your shoulders out or something. Yeah, you can see. It is giving very nice glow. Wow. There's a difference in my hands. And it does look very natural when you blend it out. It doesn't look patchy or anything. I love that. That is very nice. I want to see how that looks on my face because, ooh, that would be great. Because basically when I self-tan, I don't use like tanning mousse or anything. I use the Dove Buildable Tan, like the moisturizer. So when you apply it, like after a few hours you get darker and another few hours you get darker. And obviously when you wash your face and stuff, it goes away from your face. So this would be a great thing to put on my face to even out my face and my body. So that is absolutely amazing. Beautiful things so far, absolutely amazing. I am very humble right now. I'm very grateful. Ooh! Ooh! REM Beauty Wicked! Luxury Beautification Under Eye Mask. Oh, and there's 2 of them. Oh, wow! Use daily, morning or night, or as often as desired. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently pat the remaining serum into the skin. Can be stored in the refrigerator. I have actually never tried REM Beauty either. It will be very nice to try these ones. Recently, I've loved skincare a lot. I have a lot of skincare products, whereas before I used to cleanse my face, not even cleanse it properly. I used to use makeup wipes to cleanse my face and then, well, wash my face after with water and then put on my moisturizer and that was it. Whereas now I've got my toners, I've got my essence, I've got my serums, I've got my moisturizers, eye creams, now my face mist, morning and evening routine, different things for different times of day. And I just never cared before. Whereas now I love my skincare because without a good skincare, you won't have a nice base for your makeup. Not that I apply makeup that much anymore. I do it occasionally for work, but I never really do it for work. I mainly do it for you guys when I'm filming. Not even always doing that, depends on what video I'm filming. Or I'm doing it when I go out, and I don't go out that often. So let's say I do my makeup probably once to twice a week, maximum. So yeah, because my face is clear and like, well, bare a lot of the time, I want to have nice skin. So yeah, very excited about skincare at the minute. Next is, ooh, it's in a little bubble wrap. Wow. It's by Estée Lauder. Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Wow, this is a beautiful bottle. For all skin types, apply on clean skin before your moisturizer AM and PM. I'm gonna try some. Oh, and I love when they're shaped like this, It's something I genuinely like compared to when they're straight down. Like when they're at a slight angle, I really enjoy it. I don't know why. It's just a little thing I like. I'm gonna try this on my left hand. Oh, not too much though. Oh, it feels lovely. Gives you a nice little glow. It's hard to see. It feels very nice, hydrating, smoothing, itchy. Oh, bloody cat hair. Yeah, that feels dreamy. Oh, and it sinks in very quickly into the skin. That's very nice. Absolutely beautiful bottle. Very excited about that. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Okay, we have a few things left. Another thing by Mario Badescu is this a lip balm for all skin types. And that is great because I am actually running out of my lip balms. So just what I need. And it says, nourish dry lips with this ultra-rich coconut oil infused lip balm for all skin types. 3 Mario Badescu things. 4 with the headband. 5. Mario Badescu Gentle Foaming Cleanser. A gentle cleanser that removes impurities and leaves your skin feeling truly clean without any filmy residue. Formulated with evening primrose oil for enhanced moisture. Good, because I have dehydrated skin and I really need moisture. Oh, I love that. You can never have enough cleansers. Hi guys, so my camera overheated and it's now probably been like 15 minutes because I got stuck on Instagram. I also forgot I had a coffee here that I made. It's literally just instant coffee and sugar and milk with some ice. The ice has obviously melted. Very good. Move on. I am gonna take the Thayers, I think. Thayers Natural Remedy since 1847. Oh, this is an old one. What old brand? Soak your skin in 80-hour liquid moisturizer. Deep hydration, barely there feel, snow mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and shea butter. Normal to dry skin. Good. I have dry skin. Or I have dehydrated skin. Nice. Let's take it out of here. I have never heard of this brand before. It's nice with these giveaways because you get to try things that you never tried or never even thought of trying. I just want to see what the bottle looks like. Oh, a bit much, maybe. Seems quite nice and lightweight. Oh, yeah, very, very lightweight. Gorgeous. You definitely don't need a lot. I don't think you even need like such a big pump that I did because this will like go all over my arm and my hand. And my face is not that big. Very nice, hydrating, actually quite glowy. And yeah, very nice and lightweight, which is great for this time of year, I feel like, because obviously you sweat more. So you might feel like you don't need that like thick, heavy moisturizer that you need in the winter, because at least for me, in the winter I feel more dry than I do in the summer. So in the winter I need these like thick, very hydrating moisturizers, where in the summer I need more like lightweight stuff. So that one is great for now. It feels really nice and hydrating. The last couple of things are another Mario Badescu drying patch. See? Perfect. The pimple patches. So these ones are the ones that I use for my pimples, but I mainly use them for like the big kind of pimples that come out, because sometimes like the smaller ones I get them all like over an area and I don't want to put like pimple patches in like a big bulk around them, if that makes sense. So that's when I will go in with this one, I believe, and then I can use the drying patches or the pimple patches on the bigger pimples. So you get 60 patches in this one. It's got proprietary blend of salicylic acid and hydrating and soothing, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. All day wear, clear adhesive patches. So it's not like a minimum time, it just says all day. Because with my other period patches, I mean I have those too. Brilliant by Ross Jaber. Absolutely amazing. But no, pimple patches. My other pimple patches, it says a minimum of 4 hours. So I'll just follow that, or I mean, I normally put them on at night and sleep with them and then peel them off in the morning. So I'll do the same with these. But honestly, I've recently discovered pimple patches, and it's one of the best discoveries of my life, because you just put them on, pimple gone. Nice. That should be a slogan. Yeah, it's brilliant for, especially like if you have like an event or something, you put them on the night before and it's basically gone the next morning. So it's just completely dried them out. And it's really satisfying when you peel them off and you see all the gunk. Love that. Last thing I've got is another Mario Badescu, and it's a little makeup pouch. Cute. So I can keep all of my Mario Badescu things in here. Really excited actually, because I've heard a lot about it. I've been very intrigued to try their things, and now I can. So I'm very excited about that. This is an amazing giveaway that I've got from JakeJamie, and I'm very, very grateful. I was so excited when I got the news that I won this giveaway, and I am very excited to be able to try some new products that I've never tried before. There's nothing in this box that I have ever used before, so that is very exciting. I am very, very grateful and humble, and I think he's amazing that he's doing all of these giveaways for people to try and use. He's an amazing person for doing that for people. I really like the guy. I am absolutely amazingly grateful for this giveaway, and I hope you enjoyed watching it and watching everything that I received in the box, and I will let you know how I get on with them. If you've used any of the items before, let me know in the comments below what you think of them, and if you have any tips and tricks on how to use them or how you use them in your skincare, let me know as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!